Buongiorno! Here we are making some more nice food for you and for us as well. Today we're gonna do something with nice red meat. We have a nice beef steak here and we're gonna do a Spanish dish for you. It's called picadillo. Picadillo, which is made with the peppers, onion, mushrooms and beef with nice red wine, and we're gonna do a bit of potato puree on the side of it. Go step by step and I'll show you. First of all, nice and hot frying pan, because we need to have this sizzling. So, and extra virgin olive oil is a must. I always like to cook with my extra virgin olive oil. Might be more expensive, but extra virgin olive oil is a must. Nice hot pan, and while this is getting nice and hot, I can see it's already moving. When you see the oil is moving, that's a sign that it's nice and hot. So I'm gonna start with my peppers. Yeah, I can hear the sizzling. That's what I like to hear. Here we are. And you cook one by one and you put on the side. And then we all assemble it together. While this is cooking, because it takes all time, and make sure that you give it the right timing on when you cook the food. So don't rush into it. Here we are, a nice boiled potato, which I'm gonna mash it. Look at that, nice mashing. But when I mash it, I'm gonna put some milk and some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of butter, and pressing it, making nice and soft potato puree. This is cooking. Make sure that you don't burn it. It has to be nice. Look, nice strips of peppers. It needs to be nice and cooked. Then I add my onion. It's very important to have a nice and soft onion, because you have to release the acidity of the onion and make nice and sweet. While that's cooking, this is nice and soft. Look at that. And I'm gonna place some of this potato puree in a different frying pan. Here we are. Look at this. This is potatoes. Is there. Nice, look. Nice and soft. Here it's getting nice and cooked as well. Look at the color already getting in there. And the mushroom we're going to put afterward, because it takes less time to cook the mushroom than it takes to cook the rest of the stuff. So on the potato puree, we're going to put some salt and some pepper, and again some more milk. So when we heat up, just mold it and they will be ready. Okay, I'll take it off the peppers now, because they are nice and cooked. And I'll leave a bit of time more for the onion, which I'm gonna put back in here, because you don't want a burn onion. So take it off, and you do all the process one by one. Now we can do the mushrooms. Okay. Again, we put a little bit of salt on the mushroom and some pepper. This won't take that long, it's just 1 minute, and then we start the whole process. It's not a long dish to cook. It will take only 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes, and you will see that you have a nice, beautiful dish. Look at the color already of the mushrooms here. Okay, so you see that it's dried up all the oil. What you do at this stage, you add a little bit of oil on this side. Don't put on the mushroom because otherwise you will soak them up. So put it on this side, heat up on this time, because there is a hot frying pan. Look, it's sizzling again. So you don't have to put straight on the mushroom, but put it on the pan, it will do the job. Now, the mushrooms, they are nearly ready. So we prepared all this before. I like the noise of the sizzling. It's my favorite. So in the meantime, we warm up the puree while I'm gonna cut my meat. So like again, strips of meat. This one and two. It's gonna be a nice meal for you and your family. It's very, very nice. So again, we need hot oil, and as soon as the oil is hot, try to make as thin as possible these strips. If there is one that is bigger than other, just cut smaller, because you don't want that it takes too much time, and yeah, you want nice crispy beef. Okay. Again, you see, we got here this beef. Let's chop that. It's not going to do too much smoke for the alarm to go off. We don't want to do that. Look at it. It's nice and frying all this. So at this stage, we put some salt and some pepper. I can smell this beef. And of course, wine. Look, got here some Chianti. Okay, so now it's gonna be cooking in wine. Look, all the sauce that is there. Make sure that it will absorb all the wine, and yep, it does that. I'm preparing now the potato puree. Yeah, nice hot heat there. I'll add some of my vegetable stock there so it becomes nice and soft. Here we are. Look how much is this nice mashed potato. That's one potato. You have to give it time. You have to work the potato, but then the result is really, really nice. Okay, low heat. You don't need to have a high heat. This is cooking nicely. Now I'm going to add my peppers and the onion in there and the juice of it. So it will be cooking all together. And look, it's nice, colorful. And what I'm going to do is some parsley. It's been washed already. So make sure that you wash it. And so it will give a nice and color as well. Some green. Okay, I'm gonna add some of the vegetable stock, and what I'm gonna do now, I've got a knob of butter and some flour here. So I'm gonna put this into the flour and the butter because I'm making the sauce, and this fruit, it makes me have a nice thicker sauce than what is there at the moment. You see how liquid is now the sauce? And when I put this in, it makes nice lenticchia sauce. Okay, now it's a matter of minutes. This is getting ready. This is actually ready, and that is cooking. So I can start to dish up. Okay. This is my plate, and lower down the heat. Make sure that you don't overdo with the heat. And this you put inside a ring. Look, nice ring here, and you do nice in there. Here we have, look at the sauce now, it's nice and thicker. So I'm gonna place, you see, it took no time whatsoever. It's nice bit of time and tasty. And the sauce on top. When you put the sauce on top, the job is nearly done. This, you take it off, so it's nice round. You put the peppers that it was there, the onion, and again another little leaf of parsley. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have the picadillo. Look how beautiful it is for you, for your family, and you will enjoy. Enjoy, eat, easy to cook, picadillo for you. See you next time. Thank you very much. Ciao.